your style? Visit Sosimo Fashion Boutique for luxury brands at unbeatable prices. Celebrate our 5th anniversary with us and enjoy global fashion finds. From classics to trends, all without the hefty price tag. Don't miss our anniversary specials and exclusive offers. Sosimo Fashion Boutique, where luxury meets affordability. Located at number 3 Lower Calaclan, Olongapo City. Follow us on Facebook, www.facebook.com/Sosimo Shoppers. The only shop that will make you social pero hindi mahal. Sosimo Fashion Boutique. Ang Sosimo.
Win as much as 600,000 pesos in any of our electronic bingo sites. Bingo Pot in Magsaysay Drive beside Sam's Pizza. And Bingo Bonus in Barreto. Bingo Party located at RC Mall, East Bakbak Public Market. And your favorite bingo place, Bingo Party Traditional Bingo, is now open to serve you from 12:30 p.m. till 8:30 p.m. Bingo Pot is open from 11 a.m. to 4 a.m. Game responsibly. See you there.
The Morning Brew. The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
With DJ Tommy G.
With DJ Tommy G.
89.5 radio the way it should be.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio, The Morning Brew. Welcome back, people. And it's now 10:44 in the morning. Kamusta yung mga kaibigan natin na nakikinig ngayon? Those who are driving, have a safe drive. You know how it is in the Subic Bay Freeport. Naku, mahigpit ang traffic rules natin dito. Yung pagpapa-implement natin ng traffic rules. Alam nyo na yan. On the major intersections, first to stop, first to go. Unless otherwise you're being directed by a traffic policeman or if there's traffic lights. Okay? And have a safe drive always. Diba? Hindi lang sana dito sa Subic Bay Freeport, yung iba kasi ang sipag sumunod sa traffic rules natin dito, pero paglabas back to the old ways na naman eh. Agad-agad. Sana ituloy-tuloy na natin, ano? Okay? So before we continue, a couple of invites once again coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. At dahil Wednesday kahapon, ayan, nagpalit ng movie lineup syempre. Alright? Alam niyo naman yan, di ba? Every Wednesday, new movie lineup for all cinemas. Ewan ko ba't Wednesday yung pinili nila. Hindi ko alam. Sila nakakaalam. Pero anyways, here's the lineup of movies for SM Central Cinemas and SM Downtown Cinemas. At SM Central Cinema 1, Despicable Me Part 4. Cinema 2, Twister. Cinema 3, Don't Turn Out the Lights. Back-to-back with a Korean movie called Escape. Okay? Cinema 4, Uranus 2324. Cinema 5, Inside Out Part 2. Cinema 6, A Quiet Place Day 1. Back-to-back with Doraemon the Movie. Uy, I'm a big fan of Doraemon. Nobita's Earth Symphony. Yan. Okay? And for SM City Olongapo Downtown Cinemas naman, Cinema 1, Despicable Me Part 4. Back-to-back with Inside Out. At Cinema 2, Uranus 2324. Back-to-back with Don't Turn Out the Lights. At Cinema 3, Twisters. Alright, so that's the lineup of movies. You can buy your tickets early, ha? Pwede pong mag-purchase ng ticket ahead. Pwedeng online, pwedeng doon na rin, alright? For you to reserve the seats that you want, okay? And catch the biggest bridal expo that will be happening at SM City Olongapo Central starting tomorrow, July 19, 20, and 21. The Event Central Bridal Expo 2024. Okay, so see you there. Kita-kits po tayo doon. Lalong-lalo na yung mga nagbabalak magpakasal, no? Or ikakasal pa lang. You can get discounts there. Ayan, yung mga nangangailangan ng services. Para sa pangkasal. Yan, okay? Event organizer, MC like yours truly, MMM, band for wedding, caterers. Nandoon po silang lahat, mag-exposition sila. Bridal Expo, July 19 to 21 at the SM Central, ground level, okay? And also do check out the Sunday Mass that will be happening. Starting July 21, may Sunday Mass na lagi sa SM Central at the ground level. Holy Mass starts at 9 every Sunday starting July 21. This coming Sunday. Okay? So, katabi lang po ng Starbucks yon, yung ground level na location ng Sunday Mass. Alright? And SM Home would like to invite you to their mid-year clearance sale. This is up until August 4. Okay? Up to 50% off on selected items. Okay? That's the SM Home for you, mga appliances, furnitures, at all SM malls nationwide. Okay? And do check out the H&M. All right, H&M August up until August sale up to 50% off. H&M is located at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. All right, and this coming July 31, SM will be all SM cinemas will be having a special film showing of the Blackpink highlights. Yan, yung mga highlights ng concerts nila, yung mga naging tour and a whole lot more. This goes out to all of the Blackpink fans, yung mga fans ng Blackpink. Tickets are now available at all SM cinemas. So buy your tickets now and hurry dahil mabilis maubos yan eh. Okay? So July 31 po yung special film showing at all SM cinemas. Those are the invites for you coming from our friends at SM Central and SM City Olongapo downtown. And right about now, ayan, we have our friends here from ZMMG. Ayan, Zambales Medical Medical Mission Group. Ayun, okay. I mixed up the sorry. CMMG. Basta alam po CMMG. Located at number 14 Brill Street, West Bahak-Bahak, Olongapo City. Ayan. Nandito yung mga kaibigan natin ngayon from CMMG dahil meron silang important, delicious piece of news para sa inyong lahat. Ayan. Let's do self-introduction. Pakilala po kayo. Ayan. Sige, go ahead.
Good morning, DJ Tom, and to all the active listeners of 89.5. So, we are from Zambales Medical Mission Group, Hospital and Health Services Cooperative, also known as ZMMG Co-op Hospital.
Yeah.
So, I'm Patricia po, Muse ng ZMMG.
Muse ng ZMMG.
OIC Admin Officer, Assistant Chief Nurse po.
There you
Together
go.
with me is Ma'am Jerry.
Jerilyn Binoya po, accounting staff po ng ZMMG Co-op Hospital. Good morning po sa lahat ng nakikinig po ng 89.5 Subic Bay Radio po.
Ayan. Actually, tropa na ng 89.5 to mga to eh. Lalong-lalo na pag malapit na yung anniversary special. And of course, tayo rin dahil we're friends with the owners, with the doctors there. We promote their daily yung mga activities nila, yung mga services nila. Ayan. And this time, speaking of activities nga, eto na, may magaganap ulit, no? Ang ating anniversary special. Ayan. Sige po, go ahead ma'am. Tell them about it.
Yes po. Thank you for giving us the opportunity na may present namin ang
Always
activity
a pleasure.
namin next week. So, as our yearly commitment to the community, we will having our anniversary promo which starts on July 22 to July 27 from 6 a.m. as early as 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. po by giving super bagsak na presyo of lab test and diagnostic test. So, for only 1,700 pesos, meron ka na pong test ng CBC, urinalysis, blood chem, X-ray, and ECG. So, yung blood chem namin consists of sa sugar test, kidney function, liver function, tapos yun sa mga cholesterol. Tapos hindi lang po doon nakakat yung good news namin. Meron pa kaming additional na 10% discount para sa mga tests kung sakaling may mga ipapasabay na mga certain laboratory tests and diagnostics tests po. So, ano pa yung isa namin good news doon, DJ Tom?
Okay.
Hinabaan na namin yung pre-registration namin up to July 21
There
para
you go.
po yung sa mga working class natin na mga parokyano or mga clients, maka-avail sila up to Saturday and Sunday hanggang
Yun.
5 p.m. po for only as 1,700 pesos po.
Yun.
So, usually, ang ina-emphasize natin dito sa anniversary promo namin, yung fasting natin na 10 to 12 hours po.
10 to 12
Yes po,
hours.
pag dumating
Ayan.
sa hospital, kailangan naka-fasting kasi may mga test po tayo, katulad ng mga blood chem, na kailangan ng mga fasting po. So,
Okay.
ang isa pa sa kagandahan dito sa promo namin, sa anniversary promo namin, hindi lang po dito sa Olonga po kami may promo.
Okay.
Pati dito sa ating mga neighboring provinces sa Zambales, we will having the anniversary promo sa San Narciso on August 5 to August 7 po.
Okay.
Para, syempre, alam nyo naman, medyo gloomy today, ngayong week, this past few weeks. So, para hindi na sila mahirapan,
Yes.
magpo-promo din po tayo sa Zambales, basta sa Narciso po.
Yun, sa Barangay Alusiis.
Yes,
Ayan,
po.
lagi ko nga
Along
sinasabi.
highway.
Sa Narciso,
Yes.
Zambales.
Mga Zambalenyo friends natin, stay put. Sabi ko, meron kayo lagi dyan. Kung meron dito,
Yes.
meron din dyan sa 1,700 pesos
Yes,
lang.
po.
Murang-mura. Tapos complete di ba? Grabe. Tapos yung pre-registration, it means ongoing siya.
Yes,
hanggang
up to Sunday.
July 21 up to
Yes,
Sunday. Ayan. Wow. Okay, would you like to add to that, ma'am?
Yung excuse me, hindi niya po na-add. Yung sa pre-registration po, hanggang July 21, 1.5 po siya.
1.5.
Opo, hanggang July 21,
okay.
Sunday po. Then after po ng pre-registration, sa walk-in na po siya, promo po namin, doon na po siya 1.7
Balik
po.
sa 1.7.
Yes po.
Kalain mo, mura-mura na ng 1.7,
sa lahat po na
no?
may gusto po, di ba, sayang din po yung 200
Yes.
pesos. So, avail na po natin yung pre-registration po hanggang July 21 po.
Yun, 4 na kilong bigas din yun,
Yes.
yung 200, no? Pag, kung tag-50 yung binibili mo.
Opo.
Mura na yung 1.7, pag nag-pre-register ka, bukod sa napalista ka na, na-secure ka na sa listahan,
Yes po.
may discount ka pa na 200 pesos.
Yes
Wow.
po. Then kung mayroon pa po kayong iba pong lab test na ipapalab sa mismong promo po, yun nga po, may additional 10% discount po. So, saan pa po
Wow.
kayo, di ba po?
Yes, oo. Mura na, nauutang pa. Hindi pala nauutang. Mura yung discount. Malaki yung matitipid, I mean.
Malaki po matitipid, DJ.
Ayan. And also for increase, pwede rin po kayong tumawag, no? Call or text. Ito ba yung updated number, yung 0981?
Yes po,
Yun.
DJ.
Kasi sa banner picture nyo, iba yung number ng cellphone na nakalagay.
May bago na
May
po
bago na
kami.
po.
Wala na yun, yung nasa banner.
Yes po.
Oh, hindi ko na pala babasahin yun, yung nasa banner.
Yes,
Ito
sir.
na lang.
Pero yung landline, yun pa rin naman po, yung
Yes, same.
047-602-0278. Hindi pa naman
Yun.
po nagbabago po yun.
Ayun, okay.
Or
Ayan.
if they can, DJ Tom, since lahat naman may social
Media.
media
Everybody's
na
on
tayo.
Facebook, yeah.
So,
Pwedeng mag-message
with all
doon.
the means of,
Yeah.
ano po.
Pwedeng mag-message doon.
Yes,
or
Available din po kami sa Facebook.
Yun, or if you have the time, drop by.
Yes,
Yung mga hindi nagmamadali, gustong magpasyal-pasyal, daan na.
Pumasya sa hospital.
Speaking of daan, they are at number 14 Brill Street. Yung nililikuan ng ng red na jeepney. Papuntang bago makarating ng Mabayuan. Ayan,
Yes,
okay. So again, the anniversary. Pero kailan talaga yung anniversary ng CMMG? Yung exact date ng anniversary?
July 27, DJ Tom.
July 27! There you go.
So as you can see, sa sobrang committed namin, DJ Tom, hindi na kami, yun nga lagi sinasabi ng mga bosses namin, which is the CN Medical Director, na kaysa maghanda tayo ng garbo, magbigay na lang tayo sa community ng bagsak presyo.
Oo,
na
bagsak presyo. Wala nang
laboratory
kinita.
test.
Doon na lang yung papanghanda. Nilaan na lang doon. Ayan.
Yes po.
Kaya July 22 to 27 po ito. Ayan, okay.
Yes.
Tapos 6:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. lang yung window
As
of no?
early as 6 a.m. DJ Tom.
As early as 6 a.m.
Yes po,
start na.
makikater na tayo po.
Wow, that's nice. That would be nice. So yung hindi pa po nakakapagpalista, nakakapagpatala, gustong i-avail to, ha. May limit ba na pag na-reach natin certain number of people?
Wala naman,
Wala
DJ
naman.
Tom. Higpit lang tayo during the pandemic kasi syempre bawal yung mga social
Basiksikan,
gatherings.
yeah.
Pero i-accommodate po natin lahat.
Wow, since na-lift naman na
Yes,
no? Oh,
po.
that's nice. That's nice. Okay. So anything else you guys wanna add to that? Sige po.
Kung di mo muna tatanong DJ Tom, no? 17 years na po namin ginagawa
yeah,
Serving in the community po. So, nag-start po siya actually nung July 27, 2007.
2007,
So,
yeah.
started po siya as laboratory and pharmacy clinic nung 2007. Then, nag-upgrade lang po kami ng hospital noong 2014 as a specialty hospital and approved by General Hospital by DOH po.
Yun.
So, we have also a satellite, yung San Narciso nga po. Nag-start naman po siya nung 2012, known as ZMMG Co-op Healthcare. As operate din sa San Narciso po, kung hindi nyo pa po alam, meron na din po kami dyang hemodialysis clinic po.
Ayun.
So, sa lahat po ng nagpapadialysis over Zambales, meron na rin po kaming dialysis po dyan. Joint venture po siya ng MMG Federation and ZMMG Co-op Hospital po. So, yan po yung aming hemodialysis center po sa ZMMG Co-op sa San Narciso po.
Ayun. So hindi na kailangan bumiyahe.
Yes po,
Yes
yes
So,
po.
dyan na lang kayo sa Zambales, sa San Narciso, Barangay Alusiis, San Narciso, Zambales.
Yes po. And since co-op po siya, DJ Tom, so i-add ko na rin po sa mga gusto pong mag-invest po. So
Yes,
yun po,
it's a co-op,
For
yeah.
those who are interested po sa part of, maging part po ng aming co-op, the associate member is openly, magbabanggit ba ako dito ng price?
It's
Pwede
okay.
ba?
So, it's okay, definitely.
Openly po na 50K share capital plus 1K membership fee po. So, kung itatanong nyo po, ano po ba yung mga ano po natin dyan kung magpapa-member po kami, di ba?
Yeah, yeah.
So, ang benefit po niya, fully paid member. So, meron po kaming dividend sharing.
Of course.
patronage refund and 40% discount po sa mga members po natin na magpapalaboratory and diagnostic po. Also sa pag na inpatient po kayo, na-admit po kayo na sa room patient po natin, sa inpatient, meron po kaming 20% room rate in case po ng admission. So yun po. Member price po natin sa medicine and hospital pharmacy po. So plus 8% discount din po. Siyempre kung member ka, may dependent po tayo.
Yes.
So sa dependent po natin, meron po tayong 8% discount po. Kung magpapamember po tayo na.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yes po. At kung hindi nyo naman po natatanong, ang ating kooperatiba po ay nasa 329 persons na po, which is composed doctors and employees and community po. So we are proud po na i-present po sa inyo po na lumalaki po ang ating community. So ano pa pong hinihintay nyo? Kung mag-iisip po kayo ng mga investment or ano po, why you should try us po.
This is actually a good investment dahil because of the benefits that you mentioned. At saka bukod doon, legit to eh. Kasi they've been around for many years now.
Hindi po kayo mai-scam dito.
Hindi scam to, totoo to. Tapos and the good thing is if you notice the hospital keeps growing, di ba? I was actually invited to do the same. Kaya lang, sabi ko, sige, pag-iipunan ko muna. Hanggang ngayon, iniipon ko pa rin. Ang bagal ko mag-ipon eh. Someday siguro. Ayun. I actually really, honestly, I actually wanted to. Kaya lang, yun lang. Wala pang ipon. So it's a good investment for everybody. So
sa mga may gusto lang naman po.
Yes, if you want to.
Naghahanap po ng investment.
Okay. Tapos, for sure, the dividends are great sa mga, so far sa mga highly satisfied ba? Masaya ba yung mga nakaka-receive ng dividends na
may nare-receive naman po, pero yun na lang namin magsalita.
Pero definitely masaya sila, no? Masaya sila.
Masaya po sila.
Kalain mo kung napabilis yung ipon ko, ang tagal ko na sanang masaya.
Opo. Matagal na sanang meron.
Sayang. Okay. Anyways, anything else you wanna add to that? Sige po, go ahead.
Ulitin ko lang po ulit, next week, July 22 to 27, 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. ang promo po natin. Ang pre-registration po is up to July 21.
This Sunday.
Yes po, Sunday up to 5 p.m. po. Para sa mga gusto pa pong humabol. Kung meron naman pong hindi na talaga makahabol sa pre-registration, lahat po ng walk-in are welcome po. Also.
Ayan, so this week hanggang Sunday na lang.
Yes po.
Pre-registration. Pagdating ng next week na game na
po. Game 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. po. Tapos yung sa San Narciso po, August 5 to August 7 po.
You guys avail of this, lalong-lalo na yung nangangailangan ng yung mga medical requirements, etc. Di ba? Hindi niyo na kailangan lumayo. Mura eh. Murang-mura. Save big. Alright? So, 17th anniversary promo of CMMG. Ayan. Happy anniversary in advance sa CMMG. Ayan. Okay. So, again, huwag kayo mag-expect ng handa ng celebration. Wala na nga eh. Dito na nga nilaan eh. Para mabigyan kayo ng abot-kaya na serbisyo. Alright. Okay, thank you mga madam. If you may, baka may mga gusto kayo i-greet.
Yes, DJ Tom. Special shout out lang po sa aming board of directors headed by our chairman, Dr. J.D. Lubong, our CEO, Dr. Corazon Valdez, our medical director, Dr. Daisy Grace Rivera, together with our MANCOM members po and employees of ZMMG Co-op Hospital. Hi po. And special mention pala, ZMMG Co-op Healthcare in San Narciso.
Alright, okay. Ako, I wanna say hi na rin kay Ate Agnes.
Hi, yan po.
Kasi yung mga live video natin na sa kanya ko pino-forward eh. Yes ma'am, ikaw, you like
Ayun na po yun. Bago kami umalis sabihin, ma'am pa-shoutout kami ha. So, yung mga employees natin dyan, ito na po ha. Lahat po na employees ng ZMMG, shoutout po sa inyo.
Wala siyang na-miss. Lahat daw eh, lahat. Minsan nga naman magbe-mention ka ng name, may iiwan ka pa eh. Lahat na lang. Lahat na lang. Walang lusot. Okay. Thank you po. Maraming salamat again for sharing this beautiful piece of info sa ating mga tagapakinig. Ayan. Ang pinaka-inaabangan, inaantabayan ng taon-taon sa CMMG. Ako na rin, kasama na ako sa nag-aabang taon-taon. Alright. The anniversary promo. July 22 to 27 po. Okay, so we will press play on the next requested song and then we will be back with more of the latest piece of news from in and around Subic Bay, Freeport. For the meantime, here's the song Like We Used To from the band A Rocket to the Moon, 895 Subic Bay Radio.